Hi, I'm Joel Pizzini. I'm the winemaker for our family business, Pizzini Wines. This morning we are tasting our way through the Pizzini 2020 Pinot Grigio. I find the Pinot Grigio is one of my most favourite wines to make. It's like a big jigsaw puzzle that needs to be put together. So the wine is selected from about 7 different vineyards and strategically located through the King Valley. So Pinot Grigio typically has these lemon, limey and zesty aroma profile, and it can be quite floral as well. So white petaled flowers. One of the main features of Pinot Grigio and our style in particular is a beautiful, cleansing, refreshing acidity, and it really starts at the start of the palate and goes to the back. But there's also Granny Smith apples, there's ripe pears, and also the lemon, limey, zesty notes also flow right through to the palate. In the background, there's also brioche, a little bit of that yeasty, nutty sort of character that sort of builds in the background, and that's coming from the sediment from that fermentation technique that we call solids fermentation. So I love to drink this wine with seared prawns or seared scallops with ginger and lemongrass. Just that combination of both of those two herbs and spices really go well with that lemon zesty nature of this particular wine. Enjoy.